On to now one of my favorite things about Python 3 since version 3.6, which is f-strings. And simply put, it's a way to input variables into a larger string. And all we need to do here is prefix the string with the character f lowercase or f uppercase. And just before the opening quotation mark or before the triple quote. And if you recall, we did this for our story exercise at the very beginning of the course. We used an F string with triple quotes, so it could be a multi-line string to tell our story and insert our variables into our story. So here we have an example. We define a name as a string surrounded by quotes, right? And we define a variable age, which is equal to the value of 20. So that will be an integer because it's a whole number. And then we print f. Remember, we just insert this f character before the quotes. And this is surrounded by quotes, as we see here. And then within the string, we just include any variable we want inside of curly braces. So this will replace name, the variable name, with Alice, and the variable age with 20. And as we see, it prints this out here. Alice is 20 years old. So it's a very simple way to use these variables in a string. Now let's show an example. So let's say color. Let's say car color is blue. Let's say car model or make is Honda. And let's say my name is, let's say, well, I'll just put my name for ease. Now let's print f. Remember, always put the f there if we want to do an f string and use this syntax for printing variables. So my name owns and then car color car make. And we're going to replace my name with Joseph, car color with blue, and car make with Honda. And that's what an F string does. So let's hit enter here. Joseph owns a blue Honda. So it's a very simple way of adding these variables into our string for printing or other uses. And just really love that feature of Python. It's made it very intuitive to do this. So that's a little bit about F strings.